Hi guys, it's Harry from Kickstart Commerce, and today I'm going to do a really quick tutorial for you on how to add extra currencies to your BigCommerce store. So first off, if you go down to Store Setup and into the Currencies section here, you would have your default currency here already. Mine is GBP, so British. So we'll add, for example, the euro. You can add that here. And you can choose which countries you want it to default to euro in. So I guess we'd do France, Germany, Belgium, for example. And then you can choose if you want the customer to be charged in euros or just have it converted from euro to whichever your default is. So I think I'd recommend this one. And then the exchange rate, it's probably best to do dynamic, as this will update every 4 hours. So you'll get a pretty up-to-date conversion between different currencies. Now down here, obviously a euro, you'll want to put the euro symbol in. So I've got it saved. If we put that in, 2 decimal places is fine. So now we can save that. So I'll also add another one. Let's do the US dollar. Where is it here? So in the United States, we can do that. Set it to dynamic. The dollar is fine. Those are all fine with me. So now if we save this. So those 2 additional currencies will have been added. You need to make sure they are visible. And then you can switch out the default currency if you wish. So if you wanted to make the euro the default currency within your store, I'll move myself out of the way. You can click on the 3 pips next to the desired currency and set it as default. So if we set the euro as default there, now that's set as default. Now I haven't got a payment provider set up, but you probably will. This is just a sandbox test store. But that's how you set that as the default. Now I'll just quickly show you the front end. So the front end here will now give you the option of 3 different currencies. So if someone was shopping on your store, they'd be able to choose between. And if I show you a category page, it shows up in their given currency. So that's pretty helpful. And then when it goes through to checkout, it will charge them the exact converted rate, dependent on the exchange rate. So yeah, just a quick tutorial showing you how to add currencies. Thank you for listening, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.